Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to do, I guess, a look that I did for Thanksgiving. I was gonna record it that day, but I didn't have enough time. And I might do something inspired by it or similar to it. I'm just gonna play around with my Jaclyn Hill palette by Morphe, the first one that she came out with. And I'm going to be using the like reddish brown tones, the ones over here for the most part. It's going to be like a smoky eye, I think. And I think I want to do a dark lip with it too. So let's get started, I guess. I'm going to first put down some concealer as my base, and then we'll take it from there. I'm going to go in with my usual Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer in the color Fair, and I'm just going to take that all over my lids. So like that first video that I did, like a couple videos ago where I started doing my base first, no, my eyeshadow first, and then my what? So that video I did a couple times ago where I started, I tried out doing my my eyeshadow first and then my base. Ever since then, for recording at least, I've been doing my eyeshadow first, because when I did this look on Thanksgiving, I did have some fallout and it was pretty annoying, and I like tried to fix it and I just did the best, you know, it was the best that it could be. So I'm starting off with my eyes this time. Just to not have that happen again. I'm gonna go in with my Bare Essentials contour and line brush, and I'm gonna take the contour side, and I'm gonna be going in with a mixture, a mixture of this color and this color, and I'm gonna just put that on my eyelids. I didn't set my base, just so this would cling on. So today's Monday, and yesterday on Sunday I dropped Mike off, my husband, at the airport because he's spending the week in Georgia without me, and so I'm home alone and it's lonely. And I feel stupid saying this, but he's only gone for a stupid week. But like when I dropped him off and like we said bye, I started to cry, and I was not expecting that at all. And like I'm a crybaby, so like I probably should have expected it, but I totally didn't. And he cried too. So we're just stupid messes. But the first day has been okay. I like went to the gym with my friend and like got lunch with her, and I'm going somewhere tonight, so I've been busy, and then tomorrow I'm like seeing my parents. Wednesday I have a doctor's appointment. You guys don't care. But like basically my week has, you know, it's got stuff going on, so that's good. This past Friday was my 10-year high school reunion. And I was wanting to go in the beginning, and then I found out that like none of my friends were gonna be going. So I was like, maybe I'm not gonna go then. But then last minute, two of my friends said that they were going, and I just, like, they went and they were like, we know no one there, like, come over please. And so my husband and I decided to go, even though we were totally not dressed right. We both had like food stains down the front of our shirts, and we both like somehow managed to change out of our shirts. We were at my parents' house. That's what, like, we were having our own Thanksgiving together with my parents that night. And it was just totally, it was not planned, and I looked like crap. And but we went and we ended up having a lot of fun. Like, it was a lot of fun seeing the people that I saw and like catching up with them, and it was just, I'm glad we went. Next I'm going to be going in with, let's see, this shade right here and maybe a little bit of that shade. Mix those two together. And I'm going to be taking it on my Morphe M514 brush. But yeah, I found out that like some people were asking me about this channel, which was like super nice and shocking, but like totally embarrassing. Hi guys, if you're watching. But like, cause like I don't, you know, I started this because my husband wanted me to, because I just like watching makeup videos and I like putting on my makeup. So he was like, you should do it. And I kept saying no. But finally I ended up doing it, and then like hearing them say like, oh yeah, like I watch you on your video, and I was like, what? Like, wow. So thanks. It was just kind of shocking, but nice. Next I'm going to be going in with my Morphe M441 brush, and I'm going to be taking a mixture of this color right here and a little bit of the yellowy color, both of those. Next, I'm going to be going in with my Covergirl Vitalist Healthy Elixir Foundation in the color 710. And today I'm going to be using a brush, my Real Techniques buffing brush, to apply that. I tend to dab it in where I want more of my coverage, which is like my lower half of my face, and then up on my forehead I kind of swirl it around and buff it in, just because I don't need much coverage up there. I just want it to match the rest of my face, the color. I took 2 pumps, but I'm going to take like another half pump just to go down my neck. Next, I'm going to go back in with my Maybelline Instant Rewind. I'm going to go back in with my Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer in the color Fair, and I'm going to take that under my eye. What am I doing? Being messy is what I'm doing. I'll fix it. I've got this like crazy crease. You see that? There you go. Under my eye. Like this one specifically that just like bugs the crap out of me. First I'll set my under eyes and then I'll fix my eyeshadow. I'm gonna go with my Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in the color Fair. And I'm going to take my Real Techniques contour brush and I'm going to set my under eyes with it. Just setting the rest of the center of the face. And for the rest of my face, I'm going to be going in with my Rimmel Stay Matte Long Lasting Pressed Powder in the color 011 Creamy Natural. And I'm going to be taking it on my Real Techniques powder brush. Alright, I'm going to fix the eyeshadow real fast. I'm just going to go back in. I haven't even put anything on here, but I'm just using that same brush as I did before with the two dark colors. There we go. And then back in with the brush from the middle colors with nothing on it. And then the same with the last brush with nothing else on it as well. I guess I'll finish the rest of the eyes right now since I'm on it already, and then we can do the rest of the base. So I'm going to go in with my Real Techniques shading brush, and I'm going to go in with the two middle tone colors that I used earlier. I'll refresh your memory. This color here and this color right here, and I'm going to run it along my lower lash line. And then I'm going to go back in with my Morphe M441 brush, my really big one, and I'm going to go back in with that tan and yellow shade. This one and this one, very lightly, and I'm just going to smoke it out further. Okay, now I'm going to go in with my Real Techniques accent brush, and I'm going to go in with this color right here, and I'm going to put that in my inner corner and on my brow bone. And then on my waterline, I'm going to be going in with Colourpop's Creme Gel Liner in the color Best O. Okay, I'm going to go put on my brows and my eyelashes, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so I used a couple colors, some of the darker colors in the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. I'll show you. I used this color right here and this color down here, and it gave me pretty warm brows. I wasn't trying to do that, but it's warmer than I usually like, but whatever. I also went back in with these two colors right here, and I went in with a Kat Von D, like, short, I don't know what they call it, but one of these. Let me put this down. Ugh, too much going on. I use one of these brushes by Kat Von D. It's like thin as hell and really stiff, like plasticky bristles. It kind of hurt, to be honest. But I put that on my lower lash line, and I blended it out with this Real Techniques shading brush. And to apply my eyebrows, I used my Essence of Beauty. Yeah, Essence of Beauty brush. It's the Comb Eyebrow Eyeliner brush, and I use this side to apply it. Let's see, I used, did I already say the Colourpop Creme Gel Liner? I think I did, because I remember messing it up in Best O on my waterline. And for my mascara, I used my Maybelline Lash Sensational Sumptuous, oh, this is the, that was the French side. The Maybelline Lash Sensational Luscious Full Fan Effect Mascara. I put like 3 coats on my top lashes and 2 on my bottom. Let's see. Next, let's finish up the base. I'm going to go in with my Milani Bronzer XL All Over Glow. I'm going to use this as my contour and this as my bronzer. And for my contour, I'm going to go in with my Essence of Beauty blush and powder brush. I'm using the powder side. And then I'm going to go in with my Bare Essentials Flawless Face Brush to apply my bronzer. And then for blush, I'm going to go in with my bareMinerals Ready All Over Face Color in the color Elation. Looks like that. And I'm going to go back in with my Bare Essentials, Essence of Beauty powder and blush brush, and I'm taking the blush side to apply it. For my highlighter, I'm going to go in with my Revolution Soph X highlighter palette, and I'm going to go in with this color right here, and I'm going to apply that with my Real Techniques setting brush. Let's see, for lips, I kind of want this to be like, you know, a holiday-y look, and I don't care about doing bold eyes with bold lips because it's just fun. But I'm not sure, this color, this color. This is like a Dose of Colors, I think it came in a holiday collection. This is their like metallic lips, and I watched Tati and I know how much she hates metallic lips, and I haven't really tried these yet, so I am hoping for the best. So this is Dose of Colors liquid lipstick in Teddy. I'm going to spray some of my Cover FX High Performance Setting Spray. I'm going to put that on my face. Alright, so that should complete the finished look. I hope you guys liked it. You know, it's kind of a lot, but, you know, it's fun. And it's, you know, holiday-y, fall-y, autumnal, and I'm happy with it. So I will see you guys next time. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment with anything you want to see next. Share this around with your friends. And like I said, I'll see you next week. Okay? All right. Bye.